Hello, this is Stephen with Fairs Management Interactive, better known as Fairs MI. And this is a quick tour of Fairs MI's site management tools for events and facilities using the Regina Exhibition Park. The planner comes with a custom collection of high-resolution, accurately scaled outdoor views, with easy mouse-controlled navigation to zoom in and out and pan, as well as a complete set of building plans for your facility's event halls and arenas. We've included just a few building plan examples here. These tools allow exhibition or fair managers and event coordinators to quickly and accurately create, modify, or label on-site event items, all with just drag and drop mouse controls and easy fill-in specifications. You can in just minutes establish a setup for a fairground using color-coded circles and squares. Each item can be labeled and assigned to a category that generates an exhibitor list and booth inventory. You can use the Layers feature to separate out categories that can be displayed or hidden, providing a comprehensive space planning map using all the objects that take up space on the fairground or the show floor. Do you take drone aerial photos of your outdoor events? We can integrate them as a layer into your planner's layers. This allows you to turn on and off with a mouse click last year's fair to reference and trace over and modify with the current year event. Need the site plans to have more details than just circles and squares? We have a whole list of objects that with one mouse click can substitute. We call them icons. Don't see what you want on the list of icons? Let us know and we'll create it and put it on your list within 48 hours. So icons, layers, adding in your drone photos. It may look like there's a lot of controls, and it's true. For the last 20 years, each new generation of fair managers has looked to us for more features and customization. But really, there are only 5 basic tools you need to plan any event. Mike Knott of the Canadian National Exhibition has been our client for 15 years, and he's been using lots of icons in his planning, but no layers. But he still just uses those same 5 basic tools this entire time. While Paul Blaney of the San Diego Fair, he prefers just circles and squares, but he does provide us fair time drone shots for us to use for his next year's guides. And he has a whole lot of category layers. We help you to make those best choices for your time and talent resources. And based on your preferences, we do all the setups. All you do is use the tools to create your site planning. Now, whether your layout spreads out across your grounds or aligned in rows like the Farm Progress Show, the tools are the same. And in each case, the vendor assignments and booth inventories generate on demand as Excel spreadsheets. Basic layouts can still effectively use icons for accessories like tents, equipment displays, and other non-vendor objects. Primarily for, but not limited to, exhibit hall planning, there is a powerful tool that automatically lays out and numbers groups of booths. After entering the desired group's number of booths in a row, number of aisles, and direction, one click creates a layout in seconds. Trimming back unneeded booths, deleting to clear for entrances and cross aisles, and nudging booths over to fit along wall spaces is fast and easy. Booth groups can be set to automatically run horizontal, vertical, or both. The numbering direction can be set for right to left or left to right, the numbering system running in the traditional odd-even cross numbering, or the serpentine up one side of the aisle and down the other. The booths themselves can be moved with the mouse or the keyboard direction arrows, rotated, renumbered, resized, labeled, and color-coded. Creating an island booth with multi-line text and color coding is quick and easy. When assigning exhibitors to their booth space, the event coordinator has fill-in areas for names, descriptions, and color coding, making available an on-demand Excel exhibitor list and booth inventory. The result is, at a glance, a clear snapshot of booth sales status. And when icons and symbols are added for elements like registration lobbies, tabletop dining areas, displays, or even sponsorship banners, your event's elements become a comprehensive, accurate plan. You have the option to just work on one drawing layer, or separate your fairground or show elements into a list where individual layers can be visible or hidden. That way, one event plan can selectively provide information specific for different event personnel. I&D teams, electricians, exhibitors, attendees, fire marshals, and more. Fairs MI recaptures valuable time resources for your operations, not only in the significantly shorter time to lay out your site and event halls, but with how it reduces the turnaround time to finalize interim event contracts with clients. Fairs MI doesn't replace AutoCAD departments, but it does avoid the predicament of time resources taken from both departments with that unnecessary coordinator to draftsman inefficient use of staff productivity, allowing coordinators to input and evaluate modification options and submitting site plans to the AutoCAD draftsman when actually needed. Fairs Management Interactive isn't just software, it's a service. In business since 2003, backed up with 30 years experience in the event industry.